Good morning, morning. Today is Monday, September 22nd. It is 6:17 a.m. Figure I just get a jump on things since we already did the Sunday prep and there's not too much happening on the news front today. And so just kind of see how the markets are opening right now. I think on Friday, Trump had signed that 100K fee into law, I guess, for the H-1B visa situation. So that's definitely, um, I don't know if it's a big hit for big tech. It's probably not even, it's very negligible and it's probably a tax write off, anyways. But it might be for smaller firms. But I think in the overall scheme of tech and AI, probably not that big of a deal. Yeah, I don't think so. So there's that. I mean, it might be a bigger deal for other industries that are heavy on, I guess, foreign tech workers or for just foreign talent, but I'm not sure. I think on the tech side, not too much though. So looking at the indexes, so everything seems to be pulling back nicely. Nothing really crazy. Um, nice pullback on the Qs, healthy on the ES, healthy. Interesting on the Russell. We did break the low of Friday. Also on so Russell broke the low of Friday, so we'll just be watching that. See if we go a little bit lower. And then for the Dow, just a nice healthy pullback, so that's fine. VIX kind of in its range. Dollar, nice little pullback at the MAs. We got the Treasury note yields right here at that kind of gap down area. So let's see if you can kind of close this. So we'll see. And XLK pulling in pre-market near the open of Friday. So basically following what the Q is doing. Nothing super alarming at this point. I did see that there is, I think tomorrow, there's some PMI flash in Europe, I think, or England. So that could be some volatility after hours, after the market, but not. We'll just see if that creates any range for us. But this what's going into today. It looks like healthy pullback. For Apple, the Megatech. Wow, so we're pre-market. We're opening on highs over Friday, which is good. For Microsoft, it's within kind of the mid of Friday's candle. For Amazon, within, kind of in the discount of yesterday's or Friday's daily candle, so that's fine. Google, looks like we're trading right about the opening of Friday, so we'll see if that holds up. Meta, in the kind of discount of Friday's candle, but still bullish. NQ, or not NQ, Nvidia, kind of in the discount of Friday's candle, but still holding up. Tesla, high on the highs of Friday. So Apple and Tesla on the highs. And then QQQs, just following the Qs there. So, I mean, like healthy pullback, nothing crazy happening on the indexes. Everything still looks bullish. So, there you go. On the Grok side of things, I guess sentiment and chatter is mixed to cautiously bearish tone. So, there you go. I'm not going to read too much into that yet. Looking at what GPT is saying, yeah, we got some Fed speaking and stuff. Some levels, gives us some scenarios. Most likely outcome will open slightly lower and mild negative bias as futures already suggested. Uh, yeah, that's fine. Nothing too crazy there. So I mean, price is up. So obviously, it's kind of like pullback buy potentially. I would say looking at what's happening on the docket. So not too much today, but we do have some Fed speakers middle of the open, like 15 minutes after the open, but don't expect too much there. And then again later in the day. And then we do have Yeah, so September. So we have PMI flash here for us, but then I think ECB, what is that? The is it English Central Bank? I know they have their PMI flash as well, so that we'll see if that gives us some volatility. Um, I don't think I would wake up early enough to trade it anyways, but I may be open to leaving orders kind of at the edges of price going into Tuesday just to catch any whiplash there. So I may look into that later. We'll see. But then Powell speaks also midday on Tuesday, so that'll be all right. Not too much Wednesday. Thursday have some stuff, a jobless claims, and then Friday, which is 26, I think, get the PCE. So yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be kind of a little bit quieter today. So maybe not going too heavy today, but we'll hold and trade some stuff. So we'll see how we go. Um, and let's see for the NQ itself. Yeah, pre-market's already here. So it kind of fell off from highs, came back to this dark pool level, kind of hanging out. Um, this I guess this level, which is already marked, it's kind of hanging out there. Is this level marked? Yeah, so we got this level marked already. So I'm just gonna see how price kind of reacts between these two. Um, I don't know that we'll sell off more, but I'm always open to it. I think I'll have to see if we reclaim this and then maybe even reclaim the VWAP before I look for longs because we are close to all-time highs and there's not much catalyst pushing us higher, I think. So there's probably maybe we drift a little bit lower, but we stay within this day or two range, perhaps. So we'll see. I'll just see what price looks like after the first 5 minutes or so and then make my decision there. Not going to look for any crazy follow through. Not no 100-point trades, I think, today. But I'm open to both sides, and then we'll just kind of see how we go. But yeah, I think these levels are definitely on my radar. All right, well, that's it for me. Good luck today, and don't get caught. Thank you.